What's up? Today I'm going to teach you to drop in with 3 easy steps. Number 1, get comfortable at the bottom of the ramp. Number 2, you can actually practice dropping in at any point on the ramp. I had never thought about this. I've never seen a video where anyone talked about this, but I saw this girl working on learning to drop in, and she was being extremely creative in her strategies. So you can start at the bottom, go a little bit higher each time until you can actually get all the way up to the coping. Number 3, when you actually go to drop in, get really low. I know when I try to drop in on a vert ramp, I usually grab the nose and bend my knees all the way. If you get low, the ramp feels smaller and it feels more mellow. Grabbing the board can help. You have to make sure you lean forward because everybody falls back. I've actually never seen someone fall forward when they first drop in. They always fall back. So make sure you take those front wheels and slam them down, all the way down. It didn't work here because her shoulders stayed in place while her lower body and the board moved into the ramp. You have to make sure your upper body goes first. Your entire body is gonna follow your front shoulder, so make sure your front shoulder goes in first. All right, so here's a bonus one. If you have a friend or a dad, let them hold your hands as you drop in. This is really gonna help. So before you try to drop in, make sure you're comfortable skating the transition, pumping back and forth, and practice dropping in on bank ramps before you try to drop in on transition. Because transition, where the ramp actually curves, is a lot different than a bank ramp where the ramp is actually flat. It's a lot steeper and you go a lot faster. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.